Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Here we go. In today's video you will find out how the price of Bitcoin has changed and what the technical indicators SMA, EMA, divergence and stochastic RSI are showing. If you are not familiar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos down below in the description. Looking at the Bitcoin hourly time frame, the price went up by around 3.8% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of 58,483. But the volume wasn't very high, so the move wasn't very strong. Jumping to the hourly simple moving averages, at the moment, the price is between the 50 and the 100 SMA. If the price bounces off the 50 SMA, which is currently at 58,014, it could be seen as a support, and the 100 SMA that is at 59,154 could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. Jumping to the exponential moving average, or short EMA, it is calculated in a similar way as how the simple moving average is being calculated, but places more importance on the most recent data points. A faster trend change could be signaled as the EMA moves quicker in the current direction of the price. In order to show the trend more accurately, the ribbon we are showing is made up of 8 different EMAs. If we now look at the current hourly exponential moving averages, the current price went above the hourly ribbon, so it is to see if the price will dip back below the ribbon or it will play as a support to the downside, currently at around 58,396. Looking for divergence in the hourly time frame, the price has already gone up owing to the last bullish divergence. Moving to the hourly stochastic RSI, the stochastic RSI currently shows no overbought or oversold conditions, but the %K line is below the %D line, which means the current trend is on the downside. Moving to the 3-hourly simple moving averages, for this time interval, the current price is below all of the simple moving averages, which looks bearish, and you should keep an eye on the closest SMA. The 50 SMA will play as resistance, or the price will peak above the current price, which is around 61,082. For longer price development, the daily time frames should also be considered, as the shorter time frames are not as accurate. Moving to the 3-hourly exponential moving averages, the price at the moment is situated below the 3-hourly ribbon, which is usually bearish, and the ribbon can act as a resistance, so you should keep an eye on if the price will break it or bounce of it. The current price to watch is around 60,482. The resistance should be relatively strong, seeing as the ribbon is spread out. Looking for divergence in the 3-hourly time frame, the price has already gone up owing to the last bullish divergence. Looking at the 3-hourly stochastic RSI, both the %K and %D lines are in the higher region, which means that the price is getting overbought and soon a trend change, or at least some kind of consolidation, could be expected. However, the K line still hasn't crossed the D line, so you should wait to see if the trend will actually go down. Moving to the daily simple moving averages, at the moment, the price is between the 100 and the 50 SMA. If the price bounces off the 100 SMA, which is currently at 53,148, it could be seen as a support, and the 50 SMA that is at 59,731 could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. Looking at the daily exponential moving averages, the current price went below the daily ribbon, so you should see if the price can jump back above the ribbon or it will play as a resistance to the upside, currently at around 58,454. Looking at the daily stochastic RSI, we can see that the crypto is being oversold because the %K and %D lines are in the lower region. A change in the trend can be expected, or for the crypto to remain at least stable for some time. The K line is currently above the D line, which shows that the trend has shifted to the upside. In general, the larger time frames have a greater impact on the price, so please remember that when we display different time frames with different indicators. And also, the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching. New videos are uploaded every few hours analyzing various cryptocurrencies, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. If there is something that you didn't understand, leave us a comment below and we'll get back to you. You should know that trading with cryptocurrencies is very risky, and these videos are only an overview of what happens with the price and a pure technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. So you should read more and make your own investing decisions. See you next time.